Okay, now members, let us see how do we solve simultaneous equations using the graphical method. We have seen the elimination, the substitution, the matrix method. Now we are going to focus on the graphical method. So let us go through what do you need to do. Graphical method to solve two simultaneous equations. So we draw the two lines on the graph and we find their point of intersection. So after drawing those two lines where they intersect, you know that point of intersection. The x and y coordinates at the point of intersection becomes the solution to the two linear equations. So at that point of intersection, take the x value, the coordinate, then the y coordinate. Those will be the solutions to those two linear equations. So let us go through this. Use the graph to solve the following equations. So I have this, I have this. We said you first draw them on a graph. So you said to draw a line, you just need two intercepts, 2 points on that line. So we use this table to get the intercept. You say when x is 0, when you put here 0, what is y? So when this is 0, you have your y equaling to 0 minus 1. So that your y will be negative 1. So this is negative 1. So that point will be 0, negative 1. Then you come when y is 0. If you say when x is 0, then next time you say when y is 0. When y is 0, you put here 0 equal to x minus 1. Take this side, the one will be x, meaning we write it in the x, y form. So x is 1, y is 0. So we have now the 2 points. Now we come and draw those two, and we plot these 2 points. 1, 0, 1, 0, I think it's here. 1, 0 is there. Then 0, negative 1. 0, negative 1 is there. Then you draw that line with it is. So you get your ruler and then you join these 2 points. So you join them like I'm doing like this. So it means that now this is my line, y equaling to x minus 1. Then you come and draw this. You also need 2 points, the x, y intercept. When x is 0, now you put here 0. When you put here 0, you shall be having 3y minus 0 equaling 3. So that your 3y will be 3 and our y will be 1. So when x is 0, y is 1. What is that point? Read it in the form of x, y, 0, 1. This is 0, 1. Then you come. Now, when y is 0, you have 3 into 0. When y is 0, minus x equaling 3. So your negative x will be 3. So your x will be negative 1. Divide by negative, divide by negative 1 this side and this side. So, our x is negative 3. So that's it. Now, we get this point as negative 3, the x coordinate, then the y coordinate was 0. Negative 3, 0. Then we come and approach those 2 points. So we have 0, 1, 0, 1, which is here. Then negative 3, 0. Negative 3, 0. This is the point here. Then we get here our rulers, then we join these 2 points. So you see, I join them like this. You draw a line, you pass through this, and also this line here. This point there. So, this is my line. You name it. This is my line, 3y minus x equaling to a 3. And now, you say you note the point of intersection. So they are intersecting at this point here. So from there, you read off the x value. So from there, it's that if I go down, this is going to be my x value there. You read off that value for x. Then you read off also this y value here. Like this. Read off that y value. So this is our y value. This is our x value. So start our x from here, the solution there. Our x is 3, and then our y is 2. And there you have solved those 2 equations, and this is their values. When you come to the example 2, still the same, we need 2 points on the line. To plot a line, I need to draw a line, we just need 2 points on that line. So we said when x is 0, put here 0. When x is 0, we have now y plus 2 into 0 equaling to 2. So that your y will be 2. When x is 0, y is 2. Just it. When x is 0, this will be 2 times 0, which is 0, y will be number 2. Then again come and say when, now this time when y is 0. When y is 0, first of all this point is going to be 0, 2. When y is 0, you have 0 plus 2x equaling to 2. So that your 2x is equaling to 2 and your x will be 1. So what are you getting there? You get 1 when x is 0. So this point becomes 1, 0. Read x, y, x, y. So you come and product point 0, 2. 0, 2 is here. Then also 1, 0. 1, 0 is there. Then the join is this point here. You join these 2 points, this point to this point there. So me, if I join it, that's what I'm getting. And after that, I name this is my line y plus 2x equaling 2. Then I come to the next one, this one. When x is 0, you start when I put here 0, I have y equal to 0 minus 4, which will be negative 4. Then when y is 0, you start like here, when y is 0, my x will be 4. How? When y is 0, you say I have 0 equaling to x minus 4. Take now this on the side. When it comes this side, when it crosses the cosines, the sign becomes a positive. So start the point at 1 behind, we read the x, then the y. That will be the point. The same we use here. When x is 0, so you have y equaling to 0 minus 4. So that our y was negative 4. The point now is 0, negative 4. The x is 0, then y is negative 4. So we plot those ones also. 4, 0, 4, 0 is here. Then 0, negative 4. 0, you start x now is 0, we are going now to negative 4. Our x is 0, then negative 4 is here. Then we do line joining those 2 points. So that's where I'm coming. And now this line, we name this line y equaling to x minus 4. So now where are they meeting? So that these 2 lines are meeting here. What you do, come and read off the y value and the x value. But we say we read off the x value first. So this is my value of y. And then this one is going to give me the value of x. From there, I'm reading of my x value. Just do that there. From there, now the solution. My x is 2. Then my y is negative 2. So that's how we solve those 2 equations and into student equations using the graphical method. I wish you well.